guys, we had a scare a while ago that she was choking and I needed help. And we found this on Amazon. This is an assistance to help you get the object out of your mouth that you are choking. I'm gonna show you what is inside. So this is the kids version. It comes in an extra small and a small size. Extra small I suggest for toddlers. This will be for her size, a small. It comes in these sanitary bags. Look at this. This is reusable, so you can take out the product, and then when you are done with it, you will use the alcohol wipes that it comes with and clean it off to sanitize it and zip it right back up, you guys. It comes with instructions on how to use it. I highly recommend that you get to know this before an emergency happens. And here is another instructional manual that's a little bit thicker. Yep, there's the alcohol wipes right here. And if you have any questions, suggestions, anything, it comes with a customer service card right in here, you guys. Basically what you're going to do, Alrighty guys, here it is right now. What you're going to do is see this ring and the spot that has a point at it. It will go on the nose like this, and it will make a suction around her face. You will push it in, and then you will pull it out, and it will push air into her body, and then it will pull out the object that is causing her to choke, and this will help her out so she won't be choking anymore, you guys. This is awesome. I highly recommend that every single parent has this in their house.